Good morning, student. So today we again started the class from stack program, how to write methods and constructor for stack, for implementing the concept of stack. And next to stack, we are going to apply the stack concept for doing some other task like expression evaluation. How to evaluate an expression using stack. So before getting to the topic, you should know some basics. So first of all, what is an expression? An expression is a collection of operators and operands that represents a specific value. So in programming language, if you want to perform any calculation, first of all we have to write an expression with some set of symbols. That symbols is called as operators and operands to perform that task. And how stack is used for evaluating expression. This is what the concept of the today's topic. And there are three different types of expressions based on the operator position. Infix, in. So between the operands you may have the operators. Infix, in between the operators, in between the operands we are having or we will place operator. That's why it is called as infix expression. Postfix, post, this which is otherwise called as reverse Polish notation. All the operands will be first, afterwards operators will be placed. Post, reverse Polish notation. Prefix, reverse of postfix. So all operators will be placed before the operands. Now example is given to you. Infix expression, operator is used in between the operands. After, end, okay, after operands. Here before operands. And this is an example step infix to postfix conversion using stack data structure. If you want to convert between infix to postfix, what are all the things you have to do? You have to read all the symbols one by one from left to right in the given infix expression. So children, here 5 different steps are there. You have to follow the steps up to you traverse your expression. Okay, just read it. For making you to understand, now I am going to show you a video, animated video, so that you can understand better. See here, expression is taken. So how it is evaluated, how it is transformed using stack. So operand is taken. If operand is taken, you have to keep it in a string. If operand is taken, it should be kept in stack. Based on the precedence, BODMAS rules, you have to place the operands within a stack. Now it is higher order, so it is taken out from the stack. It is pop out from the stack. Now look at here. Now it will check the priority. Compare the priority. As the hierarchy is greater, it will go up down, and minus has to be added into the stack. As this is operand, it will be placed in postfix string. Next operator, it will check the priority. Here the priority is same for both plus and minus. And you have to keep the plus into a stack. See, based on the hierarchy, it is deciding whether to pop out or push inside the stack. So now one more operator. So here the priority is equal. So the one division will be taken to postfix string. Again comparing. So the priority is more for division operation. So it will be pushed on to the stack. Now it is parenthesis. Priority it has to keep inside the stack. Operator will be come to postfix string. Now again operator. So you have to pop out all the operators up to the parenthesis. In this session we learned how to convert infix expression to postfix expression. Similarly, as per your syllabus, you have to solve more problems, okay, by using this example. If infix to postfix or infix to prefix and vice versa, postfix to infix, postfix to prefix. So the conversion between expressions is mandatory. You should be very thorough in this. And next session we will learn how to evaluate postfix expression. Evaluate in the sense, the postfix expression will be given to you. You have to, using stack, you have to find out the result. Find out the result for the same. And parallelly, now in this class we just learned the concept alone. Now next class we have to learn how to write Java program for doing the same. How to convert between expression and also how to evaluate expressions. Okay, bye.